Welcome to Okada Manila. Alright. So I'm gonna be celebrating my birthday here. Last year sa Boracay tayo eh. Kaso naubos ko na yung vacation leave ko nung pumunta tayo sa Hong Kong few months ago. Wait, watch that video ah. So yun, spend ko na lang yung 2 days off ko dito and I'm so excited to show you the place. Let's go! Pagpasok mo pa lang sa entrance mapapawaw ka na talaga. Sobrang linis at ang bango sa loob at napaka-spacious ng room. We got the Deluxe room good for 3, priced at around 14,000 pesos overnight sa Agoda. If you're a member of their casino, then you'll get a 50% discount voucher on your birthday. Tapos may pa-birthday cake setup pa sila nung dumating kami. So, such a sweet surprise. And the whole room feels elegant and cozy. It's really perfect for a special getaway. It has 2 comfy double beds, a luxurious marble bathroom with a relaxing bathtub, automatic yung toilet and even the blinds, at lahat ng controls ay connected sa tablet beside your bed. Super high-tech talaga na halos dumugo yung ilong ko kung paano gamitin. Now, let's head to the mall on the upper ground floor and see what we can find. Maybe we'll spot a good place to eat there. Inside Okada Manila, you'll find a luxurious mall filled with shops and restaurants, from mid-range favorites to high-end brands and fine dining spots. Ang ganda ng ambience, very elegant pero relaxing pa rin. Whether you're craving comfort food or planning to splurge a little, everything you need is just a few steps away. Good morning! Merong fitness center dito so try natin mag-workout. Let's go! Okay, tapos na kami mag-workout at meron kaming free apple and orange. Okay naman yung gym nila. Pero syempre hindi mo pwede compare sa commercial na gym, di ba? Pero sapat na siya para makapag-workout ka. So tara naman sa pool nila and mag-swimming tayo. Let's go!
Tara sa pool ngayon at magsuswimming tayo. Kaso parang ang daming tao. So, tingnan natin. Gusto ko yung panahon na ganito, yung hindi masyado maaraw. Medyo maulap, sakto lang. Maganda yung pool nila eh. Nasa harap siya ng Manila Bay. Pakita ko sa inyo. Hindi na ako nag-swimming. Hindi ko masyado trip yung pool nila. Hindi, tsaka ang daming tao. Ang sabi, meron silang parang private na indoor na pool, yung spa, kasi may bayad yata. Parang around 800 pesos yata. So may jacuzzi siya, may spa. Yun. Ako, try ko ngayon. Probably next time na lang. Punta na lang tayo ng casino. Baka sakaling swerte tayo doon. Let's go! Okay, uwi na tayo guys. Enjoy ko naman yung 2 days na vacation natin. Kaso bitin. Anyway, see you on the next one. Bye!